ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Yung i-create kami yung penong communion
Hapo Arkanta beginning alam jaga New Trap Youth Council kala berengam ban khang talai ke Neigrihms Hospital hadi miklami jendat na jingalang namar ke jingsha khen khna surang how director jaga Neigrihms Hospital u Dr Nalin Mehta marmar u new director jaga hospital ulami shabar bani ban Panmap ne kinong alam jaga New Trap Youth Council bat kerpa diki ban om khang talai ke hospital number bakan kata hi yaki padba Syuakani glami ke thamak ten ke bajer hapadang president jong ke HYC uba roy kupar syndrome beru Dr Nalin Mehta ke belaya kena markeliang. Hadian kini kena yalam ke HYC ke kentat ke jeng terwau director ban penlong biang ya ke jeng Ïakren namar bagi dang dap da ke jeng bitar bat batha bu unbu sngi hakoi pat kapor.
I'm here to, when you left us during the course of our meeting, which I probably thought we could sit and discuss a few things. So what I've done and even I've discussed with this gentleman, the representation that you have given us, that representation will be forwarded to the minister along with the response, which you will get today. In fact, after we received your representation, we have been working on it. They have seen the draft. We will finalize the letter and send it today with a copy to you. And if I have been given to understand that you were offended, I realized when you got up and left the meeting, you were offended by what I told you. Incidentally, when you had mentioned that you wished to lock my hospital, I just requested you let us not do that because that would be, intimidating and it would affect the people.
That was not the language that you used. No?
It's not. I said not
Mr. Mehta,
yes.
Mr. Mehta.
But I take back my words.
No, we came today because you invited us for talk. Otherwise, our ultimatum ends after tomorrow. Right? We could have come and no. See, we have to make it clear. What you did is not acceptable.
I take back. Okay. If I have offended you,
we came and meet in a civilized way. You told us to come 5%. We came 5%. We didn't bring our members.
Absolutely.
Instead of, in fact, we introduced ourselves fine. But then how did you start the discussion? You start the discussion telling us that we are being aggressive. Did we come with an aggressive mindset into your meeting?
I take back my words. I have offended you. I take back my words. And I still hope, if we are willing, I will give you that representation. There's just one point. In your representation, you have asked me for a few things.
Yes.
They are beyond my dedicated powers. I have conveyed them to the minister.
You have the power.
To do which one of them?
Outsourcing, you are calling for outsourcing.
I have to do through tendering. Anybody who applies, who gets...
That is the problem. No? Tendering, if you call, then people from outside will come.
I can't choose. I do not have the power to... I can't say, okay, you conduct the exam. I have to go by tendering process.
Outsourcing of manpower.
Manpower is outsourced locally.
Yeah, that is a demand. No. So we could have discussed about that. Nah, you could have told us.
I am so sorry, but manpower is only being locally taken.
That is a demand also. No, then you could have replied to us in such a way. We could have a discussion, but then you didn't even give a chance to discuss.
Can I tell you now? Outsourcing for security and all the manpower, unskilled, highly skilled and skilled, is done locally. It is only done locally by local agencies. There is no
understand that. For now, we understand, but we are also made to understand that there is a move to call from outside. That's why we came to discuss.
There is no move to call from outside.
That's why, if you could have given us an assurance that there is nothing like that.
I would like to give you an assurance now.
But there are other issues also. There are 4, 5, 6 issues also.
We are answering all the 4, 5 issues.
Yeah. We could have discussed around the table and have a discussion.
Are you willing to discuss even now, or are you upset with me?
We will fix another day.
Sure.
We'll discuss.
And I want you to go back.
But Mr. Mehta, see, if you are behaving with us like this, we fear that how will you behave with the people?
You have no idea how we look after the people. I have taken back my word. There has been a misunderstanding. Let us put it behind us.
You have to remove this anti-tribal mindset.
I do not have an anti-tribal. No. Please don't accuse me of anti-tribal mindset.
No.
I am working with the tribals.
No, the way that you spoke with that attitude, you didn't even listen.
No.
You didn't even give us a chance to discuss the issues that have been put forward.
Shall we discuss this again? Shall we we wipe the same thing and start
We'll
all over again?
fix another date. We'll fix
Please
another
let
date.
me know.
Yeah.
And I just wanted to know one. I am willing to meet you at every little point that you
Yes,
have.
on
made.
the point we'll discuss.
And whatever we can do.
That is
within
what the
realms
meaning
the
of
law.
discussion is, to get to know whether what thing you
And
can do and what you cannot do.
My
Then
objective.
after that, the things that you cannot do, we'll raise it up with the people that can take a decision. That is the purpose of us coming to meet you.
Fantastic.
See.
And I will take that forward with you in the same way.
Yes, next
And
next
we will
step
put our resources together and do whatever is required.
It's okay.
Yes,
We-
no, he has something to say.
you can
Please let
fix
me
a
know
date.
when.
We'll fix
Please
a
let
date
me know
and
when.
we'll meet.
And
Fix a date and we'll meet.
Please don't get angry. Please don't get angry.
I will handshake after completion. After
Let
you
us do
fulfill our
that. I have a request.
Until you fulfill the demands, I will
We'll
handshake
meet,
with you.
I
we'll meet
cannot.
Sorry for
meet
today.
All right.
Because you have
Some
welcome
people,
in such that manner.
some
No, I
leaders,
accept
some leaders are upset.
my-
Our members all are coming here. Some more are coming. We could have taken a drastic
We
step. There could
do
have
not-
been a law and order
I do not
situation in this
wish-
hospital.
I do not wish to upset you. We will work together and
We
take this
never
forward.
expect us this mission of directors of
Director to
Neigrihms.
behave
No,
like
we will take this forward in a positive manner.
Okay,
And
we'll fix another day.
whatever I can do, I will do. Whatever I cannot do, I will ask the ministry
We'll
to
discuss
do.
that on
But
the
I need you to know, and these gentlemen have seen that the letter that you have given us is being forwarded to the ministry with point by point request to follow as per this. And if
We'll
they
have a
agree to
discussion.
that, I am more than willing to implement, because this is not my hospital. I am just running it on behalf
That's
of
why.
the
No,
ministry.
you came here.
That's why you have to
That's
know
fine. No, you have
that
to know.
Neigrihms is in Geelong.
I know that.
It's in Geelong.
I
We
know.
are the locals. You have to know how to behave.
But
You
I
have to know how to
am
welcome
governed by the
local
central
people.
government and the constitution. Yeah, please.
Okay, so anyway, you've taken back your words.
Absolutely,
You've apologized before them.
absolutely.
They've also agreed to have a discussion with you. So let them fix a fresh date. They'll intimate you. So
Definitely.
have a healthy discussion. okay?
Always,
Have a
and
healthy
I
discussion.
assure you of that
No,
once
we
again.
expect since morning. We expect the healthy discussion
Healthy
will
discussion.
be.
We will take it forward. That's my promise to you.
And long, it has to be made very clear. Whatever can be done at your
Will be
capacity will be done. Whatever
100%.
has to be done, you forward to the concerned authority. They will also follow up with the concerned authority.
Because
like
I
they said
need you to go back with my assurance that I am working for the people of Meghalaya.
Let's see after we discuss
And-
the issues. Let's see whether you're working for the locals
Oh,
or
yeah,
not. Let's see after.
Anyway,
We
you
shall
have
have
please fix another date.
Please let me know when.
Another day.
And on 6th, 5th, 6th and 7th I will be traveling. So if you want, would it be after that or you want to do that before?
We'll let you know. We'll let
Alright.
you know. The person who called me, I don't know who, Kit or something. That's.
So we'll get in touch with you.
We'll get in touch. Okay. Nakaliang jong kasing, jing siya mentang singi wanang ni ban Ïakren yo director jong Neigrihms hadian ba ulah pak jing tip shangi ba kwa ban Ïakren ban Ïakren halor ki mat jing dawa ki bangi nakaliang jong kasing labu ahmat jong u kini ki singi ki beladam. Ti hadian ba ulah pentip gangi ba kwa ban Ïakren kum ki noilam ngilawan mene ka singi ka por kar arbaje ban Ïakren ka office fekam go jong u. Ndrai mar sendrung apa hadian mangilaya syong ulawan rung hakajaka bu Ïakren yakimat ki bangi ngilabu ahmat jong u penban neubriu la persang ban kren de ki kentin ki belong nyoben yangi kum ki noilam jong kaseng ba kum juru ya kari ba kajak benre ko jong ni ulas dang ban keno bangi ngiwan hang ni da kajingmut ban wan pen kulma ulas dang ban keno bangi wan hang ni da kata kajingmut ban berngam bersit ban syok bandat yanur yanu de kajingmut ka jong ni bangi wan ka ni ka meeting ben ta kasing ka jalang ka di lembang ka jingkhot ka jong ban Ïakren ya kimat ki isu ki bangi kum kajak benre ngia ngia kendu lembang ka ni ka jakatrikam jaka sorkar pedeng kaumut bangi kwa ban yo kam yo jam ki kun samla ki jongi ngi kwa ba ki pardo parasnam ki jongi ki yo kam yo jam ka di institute mereka jingle ka jong u mene kala pelong ngi kum ki noilam bangin mi jendat nakata ka jingelang ka ba maula khot ba ngi laap hang ni habar ba ngi dawaru bo de banwan ban panmap nangi halor ka jingle ka jong u mene akapor bangi rong hapu kamra ban ya syong nam ta ka jingelang ti hadian bagi magistrate kilawan bagi bor pulit kilawan kilalet ban kren ni u bat ulawan ban panmap nak noilam bat ni Khot jong kaseng bat hadian katang ila Ïakren ru ba menta ka singim tre syu ban rung ban Ïakren ni kini kijing dawa jong kaseng namar kam don jingmut syu hadian mangila ya mi kini ki huri hura tingin sependet pat dak wi kasingi bandon ni kita kijing Ïakren halor ki mat ki jongi ni kwa ru ban kren dak basha ya kini ki director ya kini ki kli jong kini ki jaka trikam jong ka sorkar kemi bahaba fiwana kani ka jaka kani ka ri ka jongi so ba ban buram ya ki try muluk Pimdai ban ong batang ba pidai director pip syong to kasuki pila ban keren kat baman ngitiang bai lada yangi ki noilam seng balang ula ban keren kum tu Banuan dah kata attitude dah jing sngo. Bangi gi bakamret kham he. Ngiting ba ong kumnun ya dei pat ba kiru pat ba. Bat ki pardok parsnam ki jong ni. Ngi kwa ban bu ban phak ni khubor ka ba shai se kini kinong ki clear jong kini ki office ki ba per ki badan hang ni. Ba ka seng ka nom shu ngam. Lada don kam mangin pen I dah ka bor ngin pen I. Kani ka dei tang ka jing sedang ngila penlong I u ba unwan ban Panmap khmat jong I hang ni habar. Balada yai million ban le kum kini kam bat ya ki weiru. Kini hu kini ya ki IIM ki IIT ki badan hang ni ki di ban su thu ba. Ba phiwan kani ka ge jaka ka jong ni. Balada hajaka jong I pin ken ben yang nginom la sha. Balada ngim la sha. Lada gi khon samla jong ka ben kim la sha. Ke ka banja balada ki mi kinu ki jong kul mar ki jing klik ki de ben shimaki. Kata ka de khubor ka basang ka bangi kwa. Bat ngi kwa ban ong ba ya baro kini ki office sarkar nak liang jong ka sengin but din nang ni syakmat. Ban pentik na ba ki bri ki jong I ki de ben yok kam yok jam ki ni jaka. Balada ngi lap ba kinu ki office sarkar kim but renti bat kim ailat ki bri ki jong I ban yok kam ka seng kanom shusngam bat shong klik ti. Kata ka de jing wan ka jong I menta ka sngi bat ba de ba meeting bo new director ngin se pen bet pat hawi ka sngi. Kabaningkong ka de habedi ba ka thung kam nurse hajing sha ki snem ki baladep ka Neigrihms ba ka thung ka Khot application nam taman thung kam nurse ang ni ka le hi da ka Neigrihms rehaw news nem baladep kai ka bo new director la le ulong ba upenlong ya ka ni ka jing thung kam nursing officer lang ba ka ta ka norset kabak le lang ba ki institute kum ka aims bat ki wei pat ki jaka por India ka jing le jong ni ya ka ni ka exam norset ka pelong ya ki samla ki jong I ba ki nom yo lat ban thung kam nurse na ki shispa khandai pho shispa kat nu tli ki pos ki khna ki jong I ki bayo rung nam ba ka norset ki dei tang khat rew hadu khat nyungut kamut ba ka penduk lat ki jong I na maka norset ka dei ka exam ka ba hadu kata te ka dei ru ka exam ka badang thamai te ka jing dawa ka jong I na ka Neigrihms ka long ba mdei ban pelong exam lang ba ka norset balada ka kwa ban pelong ru dei ban ailat yang I ya ki khon samla ki jong I bakin long familiarize bat kum kini ki ja exam kabaar abai dei ki outsourcing agency ki batrai security hang ni ki batrai ki wi ki skill unskill ni ong ba mdei ban Khot da ki agency ki banaba bat ki batrai po jong kita agency ru ki dei bandai ki local komot ba ki try muluk nang ni kabalai ka bangi ngi dawa ka long ba yaking ni ki group B bat group C dei ban thung kam prapo persen ya ki try muluk ki jong I bat kabasan kabangi dawa khmat jong ni kalong ba kini ki nurse ki bala tre hang ni apo Neigrihms ki don ki batre lang ba ka outsource agency ki batre de ki laki sansnam newsnam chiposnam telada uniu director Khot lang ba ka norset kini ki bri ki jong I ki bala tre hang ni di ki postnam kin let cha tingi ngi dawa ngi om ba ka dei bandon ka one time policy ka ba ki nurse ki batre hang ni apo Neigrihms dei ban observe no eki dei ban penrung no eki permanent hang ni apo Neigrihms kita ki di kimat ki bangi kwa bani kren ngi kwa ban Ïakren ye shapang ka jing ki jingja thurmur ki ba ka ni ka hospital ka le dang kini khandiat sngi flei I ba ka wi ni ki pardok parasnam ki jong I khon samla jo ka jai benri kala shudu ila ka jong ka jing im ndei tang katang ila yo shibun ki complain ba ka ni ka hospital ka le experiment ye ki mat yap jong ki pardok parasnam ki jong I yakni hospital ngi kwa ban Ïakren ye kum kita ki issue ban Ïakren ba uniu klik jo ka ni ka institute nengi klem yo alat nama ka attitude ka jong u tingi nget ba le si hakini ki sngi ki ban sawan ngin sa penbek ngin sawan pat ban kenduk ban Ïakren badu